Alright, I've finally been able to try it out, the ROG Ally. Now I know what it feels like in the hand, what it can actually do outside of being a killer handheld gaming console, and most importantly, I now know how much it costs here in the Philippines. So to recap all of this, ROG arranged a technical seminar for tech media about the ROG Ally and to finally reveal its pricing to us. It was a pretty dramatic affair with the moody event area littered with neon lighting and really hazy fog and crazy ROG Ally setups. It was definitely a treat to shoot with my anamorphic lens setup, but anyway, I was able to try out the ROG Ally in 3 configurations. The standard handheld mode where I got to play some Tekken 7, then in the console mode, still running Tekken but now it's got 2 controllers connected to it. The ROG reps told us that you can actually connect a 3rd controller for 4-player use, one using the ROG Ally as its controller while it's hooked up to a PC, and 3 wireless controllers. I think that's the first time I'm going to see something like that outside of a Nintendo Switch. Anyway, after that, I got to try the ROG Ally in a desktop mode running Valorant. Yes, it can run Valorant because the ROG Ally is running Windows, not SteamOS. You can't really run Valorant on the Steam Deck unless you mod it somehow. And yes, as you can see, the ROG Ally is connected to the ROG XG Mobile running the AMD RX 6850 XT GPU, so it's got some extra horsepower behind it, not to mention extra ports. So yeah, had fun with the displays and the demo areas, but as for the most important thing, the price. It was revealed at the event. But I can't mention it now in the video, it's still NDA'd until July 20. But do know this, it's better than what the general guess for it is, and it comes with freebies. So if you want to know the price of the ROG Ally Z1 and Z1 Extreme versions, tune into my socials on July 20. I'll be releasing the pricing then once the embargo lifts. As usual, if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments below. Follow me on my socials for more tech and tech adjacent content. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.